Hi, I'm Hank Green. Welcome to Crash Course. This is a YouTube channel, and on it, we upload educational videos. My brother John and I started this channel with the goal of helping students and teachers with world history and biology, but then we grew. We brought in new hosts to help us teach and expanded to subjects like chemistry, literature, psychology, film, sociology, physics. It's a long list. We've also gone beyond the classroom to make all of our series helpful to anyone who wants to learn about stuff. We just want to make educational content that's helpful for as many people as possible. If you're a teacher, we'd love for you to use these videos in class or as a way to help you prepare for a lecture or lesson plan. If you're a student, we hope these series will help you study and prepare for tests or just understand the material a little better. If you want to just learn with us, have at it. And if you want to help us, leave a comment and tell us what brought you to this channel. If Crash Course helps you do better on a test or pass a class, that's great. But really, our goal is to help people learn things, to know stuff, to gain a deeper understanding of themselves and their world, because learning is like a little bit the meaning of life. So subscribe, share, like, maybe even join our amazing community over on Patreon, which is, by the way, the only way we can do this. So to our patrons and to everyone who comes here to learn, thank you, and don't forget to be awesome.